Hello everyone, I want to talk about the equation in mathematics today. Now, what is an equation? Equation simply means a statement that two expressions are equal, and these expressions are normally separated with a equality sign. Now, if you look at this thing, equation, let's say 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. It is an equation. Now, look at the equality sign I'm talking about. So this one means this place, the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So now, to improve your level of thinking, we can now say 2 plus x is equals to 4. This is where some people find it difficult. Now, this is a variable. Any unknown quantity in mathematics is a variable. And this particular equation here is a linear equation because the power of the variable is equals to 1. What is the power I'm talking about? This up is equals to 1. So it is a linear equation. If you have something like this, x equals to power 2, it's no longer a linear equation but a quadratic equation. So this one is a linear equation. Now let's solve this problem. To solve this problem, we say 2 plus x is equals to 4 minus 2. Equals to 4. So our aim is to find the variable, this one, to make this x to stand alone. That is how you find the variable. To make x the subject formula, and to make x the subject formula, we can use two methods. One method is to subtract both sides of the equation, both sides by 2. So we have 2 plus x minus 2 equals to 4 minus 2. To make it easier for you, you put these two, the numbers, together. So you rearrange, you can say x. You don't need to write this plus because the plus, you already know is like this now, you already know it's a positive value. So plus 2, this one is a positive value. That's why we have plus 2 minus 2 equals to 4 minus 2. So at the end of the day, plus 2 minus 2 will go nothing, because if you have 2 and you are owing somebody 2, if you balance, that will be nothing. So we are left with x equals to 4 minus 2, and 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. So you see that our x is equals to 2. This is how to find an unknown variable in a linear equation, or in a linear equation. Now the other method, the alternative method, alternative method 2 plus x equals to 4. The alternative method is to move, you rearrange, or you collect like terms. You rearrange or you collect like terms. Collecting like terms means you need to carry this one to this other side of the equation so that x will remain alone. How do we remove? And in mathematics, if a sign crosses this equality sign, it changes. Now, if plus crosses, it changes to minus. If minus crosses, it changes to plus. The same thing to this other side. If it crosses to this other side, it changes. If plus crosses, it changes to minus. If minus crosses, it changes to plus. So we have x equals to 4 minus 2 because this plus 2 has crossed to this other side of the equation. So we are left with x equals to 2. So it's very simple to solve a linear equation like this.